to, if you can, move back a little bit because it's dangerous up here. I don't want anyone to get hurt, so
Everyone listen to Chris. Go back.
be careful, be careful. Be careful because we love you guys and we care about you.